DNA in the cell gets replicated. The DNA in the cell gets replicated all through the nucleus. The mitochondria in the cell makes ATP. The mitochondria in the cell makes ATP all through the cell. The nucleus in the cell holds the DNA. The nucleus in the cell holds the DNA all through the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum has transport proteins. The endoplasmic reticulum has transport proteins all through the cell. Golgi apparatus stabilizes proteins. The Golgi apparatus stabilizes proteins all through the cell. The cytoplasm in the cell forms a cytoskeleton. The cytoplasm in the cell forms a cytoskeleton all through the cell. The cell wall in the cell gives protection and shape. The cell wall in the cell gives protection and shape all through the cell.
Bacteria, yeah, and human cells, they got many similarities anybody could tell. They share DNA polymerases, ribosomes for proteins, enzymes for energy, membranes that keep it clean. Yeah, bacteria and their cells, their differences are so clear they probably ring a bell. These include the complexity and mitochondrial, plus we got compartments that surround our organelles. Endosymbiotic theory is pretty grand. Small cells went into bigger cells to lend a hand. Chloroplasts and mitochondria did this, solving our cells' major energy crisis. Over time they got an interdependence. Mitochondria produce energy, our cells advance. Evidence of this is in the powerhouse. Has its own DNA, tRNA, right in a mouse.
The DNA in the cell holds information. The DNA in the cell holds information all through the nucleus. Mitochondria was once alone. The mitochondria was once alone. Then it will. The nucleus in the cell protects the DNA. The nucleus in the cell protects the DNA all through the cell. Transport proteins in the ER bind ribosomes. Transport proteins in the ER bind the ribosomes. Golgi apparatus processes proteins. The Golgi apparatus processes proteins all through the cell. Cytoplasm in the cell contains many enzymes. Cytoplasm in the cell contains many enzymes all through the cell. Cell wall in the cell filters molecules. Cell wall in the cell filters molecules all through the cell.
Round and round, yeah. You know I tell the truth, so here's the case. DNA makes RNA with RNA polymerase. 1.5 billion years ago, there was an evolution that invented cells, yo. New cells are larger with separate compartments. The song is so fire, it burns down apartments. And the old cells, yeah, they're basic. They're just bacteria with nothing but bases. So let me make it simple so that it can process. The older cells are simple and the new ones complex. And more compartments, yeah, you know it got that great perception. So do the larger cells, they have that great protection. Yeah, it's been your boys. Shout out to Papa John for sponsoring us. I'm out.